1. Open the laser-generated door. Press the spring plug to remove the door. 2. Move the laser generator near to the installation area. 3. Open upper cover. Pull out the optical fiber cable from the bottom. Put it on the machine back cover. 4. Put laser generator in again. 5. Open the chain slot cover. 6. Open laser head upper cover. 7. Open laser head front cover. 8. Pass the fiber cable through the side hole. 9. Note: fiber cable cannot be bent at right angles. 10. Extend the cable to the proper position of the laser head. 11. Connect water chiller protection cable with conversion board. 12. Connect water inlet and water outlet with conversion board. 13. Connect laser generator with conversion board. 14. Connect thin water inlet and thin water outlet with conversion board. 15. Connect oxygen gas pipe and nitrogen gas pipe with conversion board. 16. Extend gas pipes to proportional valve and solenoid valve through the chain slot. 17. Extend gas pipes to the proper position of the laser head. 18. Open machine front cover. 19. Connect height control cable with sensor port. 20. Extend the height control cable to the proper position of the laser head. 21. Take out the QBH and laser head in clean and dust-free environment. 22. Place QBH horizontally. Remove the protect cover. 23. Check if the lens is clean and complete. 24. Place the laser head horizontally. Remove the protective cover. 25. Rotate to open the safety lock. 26. Align the laser head red dot with the small hole on the QBH. 27. Keep level during installation. 28. After installed, rotate to lock the laser head. 29. Fix the laser head. 30. Diagonally pre-tightening screws to fix the laser head. 31. Adjust the laser head to the vertical state. 32. Tighten the screws. 33. Connect amplifier with laser head. 34. Tighten the screws. 35. Connect height control cable with amplifier. 36. Connect QBH water inlet with water outlet. 37. Connect QBH water outlet with laser head. 38. Connect water pipe. 39. Connect water outlet with laser head. 40. Connect gas pipe with laser head. 41. Fiber cable and laser head are installed.